Hey, it's Rob, and did a bunch of Sinatra labs today, and it's getting kind of complicated again, but I'm not too worried about it because it's the same kind of feeling I had in Mod 1 Week 1, and I know I'm gonna do more labs and I'm gonna get comfortable with it, and it's not gonna be so bad again. So, yeah, I'm not too worried. Holy crap, today's Sinatra lab kicked my ass. So in the beginning of the day, I thought I understood RESTful routing pretty well, and then by the end of the day, nothing I wrote was working. So I guess I don't know jack shit. uh, so we have a 4-day weekend because of Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna have to study my ass off and make sure I know what I'm doing by Monday. Yeah, that's the plan. Hey, it's Rob, and today's Thanksgiving. I wanted to say thanks to Flatiron and my cohort, the instructors who helped us along the way, and thankful for my family for supporting me through the crazy decisions that I make. And yeah, I had dinner with my parents. It was nice. Way more food than we could handle. But yeah, I spent most of my day coding, even though it's Thanksgiving, because I also have a Friendsgiving tomorrow. So now that I'm kind of way like more comfortable with Ruby on Rails, I could relax and enjoy tomorrow, so that's nice. Hey, it's Rob, and yesterday I had my Friendsgiving, and it was fun. I kind of lost track of time, that's why I didn't record. But yeah, yesterday I got this haircut, and I look kind of derpy right now, but I promise I look much better with hair product. Um, and about today, so I got my first developer job, ish. So someone reached out to me to be their private tutor, and we've been doing a few trial sessions, and we now agreed to do it long term. So that's cool, and I'm glad I'm actually able to teach someone the stuff that I've been learning, and yeah, make a difference. So that's awesome. And yeah, that's where I'm at as of now.
Hey, it's Swift Sunday today, and I made a new app. So let me show you what that's about. What's been really cool about doing two different courses is that they're lining up. So this past week at Flatiron School, I was learning about MVC design, and with this app, it was learning MVC on Xcode with Swift. So that was really cool, and seeing how things were reiterated and taught from a different boot camp in a different country altogether. Because Flatiron School is the one I'm attending is based in New York, and the online course where I'm learning Swift is App Brewery based in London. And it was just so cool seeing like MVC again in the same week. And then being able to make iOS app with the MVC design. So the app is a quiz app, and I made the questions to reflect MVC because it just felt appropriate. And let me actually just run through it. Here it is. It's being simulated, and I wrote the questions and the answers like for no, probably like 5 hours ago. So it might not be fresh in my head. I'm actually going to just try to take this quiz, and you can follow along if you'd like. So MVC is a framework for building web applications. MVC is a framework for building web applications using a MVC model view controller design. True. Pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Routing is a pattern matching mechanism of incoming requests to the URL patterns which are registered in route table. Routing is a pattern matching. Yes, that's true. The model represents the application core for instance, a list of data. What? The model represents the application core. For instance, a list of database records. The model does work with the database. The wording is strange, but I feel like that's true. Okay. Events are the methods in controller class which is responsible for returning the view or JSON data. Events are the methods responsible for returning the view. It's not. Actions are responsible. Okay, the MVC model provides full control over, yes, that's definitely true. The view handles the input to the database records. The view handles, that's the controller. Okay. The view is part of the application that handles the logic for application data. No, but which was it? View is part of the application that handles the logic. That should be the model, I think. The view is part of that handles display is true. The controller is the part of the application that handles user interaction. I think that's true. Get is used to submit data to be processed at a specific source. Submitting data is a post, so that's false. MVC separation helps you manage complex applications because you can focus on one aspect at a time. What? MVC separation helps you manage complex applications because you can focus on one aspect at a time. Oh, that was a typo. Okay. For example, you can focus on the view without depending on the business logic. Yeah, that's true. Post is used to request data from, no, that's the get. So that's false. The controller displays the data. The view displays the data. Okay, cool. So I scored 1,300 points. I got all of them right, but then that could also mean that I just programmed it so that I'm always right. So I'm going to restart and get some wrong. And there it is. So I have a score of 0. Some were correct, but I'll get to that 600. So yeah, that's the quiz app that I built today, and yeah. Tomorrow I start Mod 2 week 2, so gonna play around with more MVC design. Possibly, I think, yeah, there's a code challenge coming up for Flatiron School. So yeah, just gonna keep studying and working on more labs. Oh, and what's really cool is if we go over to Atom, that's where my Flatiron labs are. We see the MVC design here with Ruby. Here's models, and then here, oops, I closed it. Here's the views, and then here's the controllers. It's all separated out, just like we see in Xcode, and that's just, I love that. It's just cross-language, what's the word? So cross-language conventions, and that's fantastic. Yeah, excited to keep learning more. And if you enjoyed this video, then there's more to come. Just hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.